You have seen how AI is used in daily life, but have you ever thought, how does AI actually learn? How does it recognize your face or understand your voice? The answer is machine learning. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence where the machine learns from data. Just like human learn from experience, AI learn from data. For example, if you show a child 100 pictures of cats, the child will start to recognize cat. AI does the same. It is trained using thousands of, even million of example type of machine learning. There are mainly three types of machine learning. Supervised, you give supervised learning. You give the machine both the question and the correct answer. Unsupervised learning, no correct answer given, machine finds pattern on its own. Reinforced Reinforcement learning, the machine learns from trial and error, just like we learn a game. If we win, we continue. If we lose, we try something else. Google's AI, that's beat world champion in chess. It learned just by playing millions of times. No one thought it. That's the power of machine learning. If the data is wrong, the AI will learn wrong. That's why biased data can create dangerous AI systems. So, in short, AI learn from data patterns and experience just like human. In the next video, we will explore how ChatGPT works and what is the behind tools like Siri, Alexa, and ChatGPT. Like, share, and subscribe. Learn AI the smart way. I'm your student Yoga for City Abubakar and from your channel Code Rich.